Hello students, welcome to Harvest Max. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Now we will move on to division algorithms for polynomial. So this is very important topic. You can expect one question of division confirmly in your final exam. So now what's the question goes like this. This is example 6 of your NCERT. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Okay. So divide, this is the quadratic polynomial that they have given, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. This is linear polynomial. So now how to perform this division? In order to do this, you have few steps or few algorithm steps of division for polynomials that we are going to discuss now. Now before proceeding, first let it be clear. So in this given two polynomial, that is in this quadratic and linear, so which is dividend and which is divisor? So this is nothing but dividend, right? So this is nothing but dividend. So this will be a divisor. So this is dividend and this is divisor. So before starting or before going to the actual algorithm, one prerequisite that we need to check before proceeding further is we need to arrange the terms in both dividend and divisor in the decreasing order of the degree. So that is, this is the prerequisite before starting your problem. First you need to check whether this condition is satisfied. That is, arranging the terms of dividend and divisor in the decreasing order of the degree. So we'll check in the dividend first. 2x square, that is degree is 2 and x power 1, degree is 1, x power 0. Yes, it is arranged in decreasing order. Whereas in the divisor, x plus 2, here also it is arranged in the decreasing order. So we need not change anything. If in case the degrees are not arranged in the decreasing order, then you need to do that. This is the prerequisite. Okay. So once this is done, we will go to step 1. So what is step 1? Step 1 is in order to select the quotient. So how do we select the quotient? So quotient 1 is nothing but the first quotient. How to select that is, quotient 1 is equal to highest degree of dividend divided by highest degree of divisor. So how to select the quotient? Highest degree of dividend divided by highest degree of divisor. So which is the dividend here? Dividend is this one, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So which is the highest degree of dividend? Highest degree of dividend is nothing but 2x. Highest degree of dividend is, 2x square. And highest degree of divisor is what? X. X is the highest degree of divisor, right? So we will try to divide that. That is 2x square divided by x. So this is normal division, simple division. So if you cancel, that is x and x will go. So you will be left out with 2x. So quotient 1 is nothing but 2x. Clear? So now we will try to solve this. X plus 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So what is the value of quotient 1? Quotient 1 is nothing but 2x, right? So now you can perform your normal division. That is 2x into x will give you what? 2x square. Followed by 2x into 2 is equal to what? 4x, right? So if you observe, they are of same sign. So you need to multiply by opposite sign in order to get it cancelled. So I multiply by minus. I am going to perform subtraction operation. Okay. So now plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus. Plus 2x square and minus 2x square is gone. So this will give you 0. Plus 3x and minus 4x is nothing but minus x. Now I will take the next constant, that is next term, which is nothing but 1 down. Okay. So now what is the second step? Step 2 is, this is quotient 1. Up to quotient 1 it is done. Now what is step 2? Step 2 is nothing but how to find quotient 2. How do we find quotient 2? So quotient 2 is nothing but highest degree in new new dividend divided by highest degree in new divisor. Highest degree in new dividend for divided by highest degree in new divisor. Highest degree in new divisor. Fine. Is this clear? So now, which is the new dividend and which is the new divisor, we'll see. New dividend is nothing but minus x plus 1 and new divisor is x plus 2. So x plus 2 will be the divisor. It will not be new, it will be divisor will be same. Sorry. So divisor. So now which is the highest degree in new dividend? Minus x. And followed by highest degree in divisor is x. Minus x divided by x is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 is the second quotient, right? So now we will try to write minus 1. Now again perform the same division. So minus 1 into x will give you minus x. Minus 1 into plus 2 will give you minus 2. Now both are of same sign. Now I am going to perform subtraction operation so that the sign changes to plus. Minus into plus, minus into minus will give you plus. Minus into minus will give you plus. Fine. So now minus x and plus x gets cancelled. Plus 1 and plus 2 will give you 3. 3 is the quotient. Okay. So now we'll move on to step 3. So step 3 indicates repeat step 2. That is whatever the step that we did previously. Repeat step 2 until the degree of remainder. Until when is? Until the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So you need to repeat step 2 until the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So what is the degree of remainder? Here we don't have any x term. So the degree of remainder is nothing but 0, right? I can write this 3 as 3x power 0 because anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3 only. I can rewrite this 3 as 3 into x power 0. So what is the degree of this particular remainder? It is 0, right? So 0 is less than degree of divisor. What's the degree of divisor? Degree of divisor is 1. Yes. 0 is less than 1. Yes, the condition is true. So you have to repeat step 2 until this condition is satisfied. Once this condition is satisfied, you can stop. So once this condition is satisfied, so you have to stop. You need to stop the algorithm. So this is done. So this is our final answer. So here this is the quotient, that is 2x minus 1 and 3x is the remainder. Then x plus 2 is nothing but the divisor. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is the dividend. So we have arrived at our solution. Now we will discuss example 7 of your NCERT. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. So it's a type of cubic polynomial. Why? Because the highest degree is 3 and here this is a type of quadratic polynomial because the highest degree is what? Degree is 2. Okay. So what already we have discussed about the algorithm, division algorithm. So what is the prerequisite? We need to arrange the terms in the decreasing order of the degree. That is, arrange the terms of the divisor and the dividend in the decreasing order of the degree. So this will be the dividend and this is the divisor. We need to check whether the terms are arranged in the decreasing order of the degree. Yes. So here 3x cube, x square, x and x power 0. Yes, it is done. Whereas here x square, x and x power 0. Yes, the terms are already arranged. We need not do it. We just have to have a check about it. Okay. So what is step 1? Step 1 is how to select the quotient 1. Right. So how do we select the quotient 1? So quotient 1 I have indicated as Q1. How to select the quotient 1? Quotient 1 is given by highest degree term of the dividend divided by highest degree term of the divisor. So highest degree term of the dividend is what? 3x cube and highest degree term of the divisor is what? X square. So quotient 1 will be 3x. Okay. So this will be quotient 1. We will try to solve here simultaneously. So x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay. So now quotient 1 is what? Quotient 1 is 3x, right? So quotient 1 is 3x. So now perform normal multiplication. 3x into x square will give you 3x cube. 3x into 2x. 3 2s are 6. X into x will be x square. 3x into 1 is 3x. Okay. So now I am going to perform subtraction. Okay. So if I perform subtraction, so here it will be minus, 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 plus 3x cube minus 3x cube is gone. We will get 0. Plus into minus will be minus. Okay. So now plus minus 6x square plus x square will give you minus 5x square. Then plus 2x minus 3x will give you minus x. Now bring the next term down, that is plus 5. Okay. Now we need to apply step 2. So what does step 2 indicate? So quotient 2 is equal to, which is the highest degree of new dividend, that is minus 5x square. Minus 5x square divided by highest degree of divisor, which is nothing but x square. So x square and x square is gone. Minus 5 is the new dividend, new quotient, second quotient. So minus 5. Now normal division, that is minus 5 into x square will give you minus 5x square. Fine. Minus into plus is minus. 5 2s are 10x. Then 5 plus into minus is minus 5. Any doubts? Plus into minus is minus. 5 1s are 5. Now what I am going to do? What should I do? Whether I should do addition or subtraction? I need to do subtraction so that I will get positive sign here, right? So I will do subtraction. Minus of minus is plus. Minus of minus is plus. Again minus of minus is plus. Right? So now minus 5x square plus 5x square is gone. So you will be left with 0. Then minus x plus 10x is how much? We will get 9x. Then plus 5 is 10. So 9x plus 10 is the new dividend. Again try to apply. So now you need to check the step 3. What does step 3 indicates? You need to check whether the degree of new dividend. So degree of new dividend is what? So step 3 is you need to check the degree of new dividend. So degree of new dividend is 1 because x power 1, and degree of the divisor is 2. Whether it is less than. So if it is less than, yes, 1 is less than 2, then you need to stop. Else you need to go to step 2. Right? So here the degree of new dividend is 1, degree of the divisor is 2. So the condition is satisfied, hence you need to stop. So what is the final answer? So quotient is 3x minus 5 is the quotient, and remainder is nothing but 9x plus 10. 9x plus 10 is the remainder. Now, in order to verify division algorithm, there is one relationship, that is what we are going to discuss now. Let p of x and g of x be a given two polynomial, any polynomial. So we'll assume say p of x is nothing but dividend and g of x is the divisor, such that g of x is not equal to 0. P of x and g of x be any given two polynomials such that g of x is not equal to 0, that is divisor is not equal to 0, and q of x and r of x indicate the quotient and remainder of the polynomial, given polynomials. Q of x indicates the quotient and r of x indicates the remainder. So we have a relationship, that is p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That is, if you are going to multiply the divisor with the quotient and add the result with the remainder, then you will get the dividend. So this is the relationship of division algorithm. This is how we are going to verify the division algorithm. Okay. So p of x is nothing but dividend. So I will write this. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. That is, you are going to multiply the divisor with quotient and add the result with the remainder. Then you will arrive at dividend. Now we will move on to example 8 of NCERT. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square, and also we need to verify the division algorithm. Okay, so first we'll see how to proceed this. So now what we are going to do, so first prerequisite is, in order to check the terms in the divisor as well as dividend, and we have to check whether the terms are arranged in the decreasing order of their degree. So here if you observe 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus y, no, the terms are not arranged in the decreasing order of their degree. So we need to arrange that. So how do we arrange it? So minus x cube, okay, followed by 3x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, this will be the dividend, and divisor will be what? Minus x square plus x minus 1. So this will be the divisor. So this is dividend and this is the divisor. So what is the step 1? Step 1 is in order to obtain quotient 1. So step 1 is quotient 1. How do we obtain quotient 1? Quotient 1 is nothing but the highest degree term in the dividend divided by highest degree term in the divisor. So which is the highest degree term in the dividend? Minus x cube, right? And highest degree term in the divisor is minus x square. So minus and minus is gone. X square and x square will be gone. So you will be left out with what? X. So x is the first quotient. Okay. So simultaneously we will try to solve. So minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay. Then minus x cube plus 3x square. Then minus 3x plus 5. Fine. So which is, what is the first quotient term that we have obtained? X. Right. Now you need to do normal division, that is x into minus x square will give you minus x cube, x into x will give you x square, x into minus 1 will give you minus x. Okay. So now we need to do addition or subtraction. We need to do subtraction in order to obtain opposite sign. Right. So I am doing subtraction. So minus of minus will be plus, minus of plus will be minus, minus of minus will be plus. So plus x cube minus x cube is gone. So 0. Then plus 3x square minus x square is plus 2x square. Then minus 3x plus x will be minus 2x followed by plus 5, and bring this term down. Okay. Now next step is, step 2 is in order to obtain quotient 2. So how do we obtain quotient 2? Quotient 2 is equal to the highest degree term in the new dividend. Which is the new dividend? 2x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by highest degree term in the divisor. Okay. So highest degree term in the new dividend is 2x square, and highest degree term in the divisor is what? Minus x square. So x square and x square is gone. You are left out with minus 2. So minus 2 will be quotient 2. So minus 2. So now proceed. Minus 2 into minus x square will give you plus 2x square. Minus of minus will become plus. Plus into minus is minus 2x. Then minus of minus will be plus 2. Okay. So now what you need to do? You need to do subtraction to obtain opposite sign. So plus minus. Fine. So now plus 2x square minus 2x square is gone. 0. Plus 2x minus 2x is gone. 0. Followed by 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Now we will move on to next step. So step 3 says you need to check that is the degree of the new dividend is less than the degree of the divisor. So what will be the degree of new dividend? It is equal to 0, right? You have 3. 3 into x power 0 is 3 only. So 0. So 0 is the degree of new dividend. It is less than the degree of new divisor. So degree of divisor is 2. 0 is less than 2? Yes. Then you need to stop. Hence you need to stop. So once we have done this, so they have asked us to continue. That is, we have to verify the division algorithm. So you have a relationship equation, no? Based upon that, you need to verify the division algorithm. Okay? In order to do the verification, first we will write clearly what does P of x, Q of x, R of x, G of x indicate. P of x is nothing but the dividend, and G of x is nothing but divisor, and R of x is nothing but remainder, and Q of x is nothing but quotient. Okay? So now we will try to verify the division. So we will write the value of P of x. P of x is what? P of x is 3x square minus x cube. Okay, we'll rewrite this by arranging the terms. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay, and g of x is nothing but divisor, right? So it is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1. And what is q of x? Q of x indicates the quotient, which is x minus 2, and r of x indicates the remainder, which is 3. Okay, so now we will verify the relationship. So that is P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That's fine. So now what will be P of x? P of x is equal to, so what is g of x? G of x is minus x square plus x minus 1 into q of x. Q of x is nothing but x minus 2 plus r of x, which is equal to 3. Now we'll try to multiply this. Okay. So P of x is equal to x into minus x will be minus x cube. X into x will be plus x square. Again, x into minus 1 will give you minus x, followed by minus of minus will become plus 2 into minus x square, that is 2x square, followed by minus 2 into plus x, minus 2x, then minus 2 into minus 1, so which will be plus 2, and plus 3 I am retaining as it is. Now try to simplify this. You don't have x cube term, only one x cube term is there, so we'll just retain as it is, minus x cube plus x square plus 2x square, so will give us plus 3x square, right? Then followed by minus x plus x, so it's equal to minus 3x, then plus 2 plus 3 is plus 5, so which is equal to P of x, right? See, you can compare minus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 plus 5. Hence we have verified the division algorithm.